CFA body has instituted changes in its exam price structure starting from 2023. As a CFA candidate or as a prospective CFA candidate, what are the repercussions? Well, this video covers it all. My name is Zain Al Hussain Naqvi. I am a senior executive in the product team here at Zell Education. So what are these changes? Number one, the first change is a reduction in the one-time registration fees payable to the CFA body. A one-time registration fees is payable to the CFA body whenever you register with them. It's paid only one time. Previously, it used to be $450. Now, it has been reduced to $350. That means any new candidate that begins his registration in 2023 will only pay $350 to register with the CFA body. That is change number one. Change number two is a change in the early bird registration for the CFA body. Well, the CFA body, let's say 4 attempts for level 1, 3 attempts for level 2 and 2 attempts for level 3, right? For each attempt, there is something called as an early bird or an early registration fee where you pay a slightly discounted price as compared to a standard price to sit for these exams. Now the CFA body has said the earlier price was $700. Now this price has become $900, which is an increase of $200 in total. So, just to summarize, change number two, the early bird or the early registration fees has been increased from $700 to $900. Change number three, the standard registration fees. The standard registration fees is basically the fees that you pay when you register by a standard deadline for the CFA exam. It is not the discounted fees. It's the standard fees that you pay to sit for a CFA exam. The price previously was $1,000 per level per exam. Now the price has been increased to $1,200. So change number three, summarized as the standard registration exam fee, has gone from $1,000 to $1,200. So just to summarize very simply, the registration fees has been decreased from $450 to $350. The early bird fees has been increased from $700 to $900. The standard registration fees has been increased from $1,000 to $1,200. Now, let's talk about the net effect or the overall effect. At a level 1 stage, let's say you register. You avail, let's say now instead of $450, you're paying only $350. You're saving on $100, okay? And let's say you choose any exam option, early bird or standard. You're bearing an extra cost of $200. You saved $100. You're spending $200 more. So at level 1, you're only spending $100 more, net effect, which is about 7,500 rupees. And talking about level 2 and level 3, you yet are bearing the extra $200 cost. So just to talk about a very overall effect on your CFA fees or the fees payable to the body, we generally say the fees payable to the body or the general cost of doing CFA is between 3.5 to 4 lakhs. Well, now it's become 3,75,000 to 4,25,000 depending on whether you choose the early bird registration or the standard registration. I hope this video answers all your questions about this recent CFA update. If you have any questions about what is CFA, what is the scope of CFA, we've done countless webinars and we continue to do so many webinars on CFA on a monthly basis. Please feel free to join us in these webinars. We also have an Instagram page where we regularly post these updates. Please do follow. If there are any other kind of videos that you'd like us to do, please drop a comment and we'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you.